Hey YouTube, Jeff here from the Wolf of Wisco YouTube channel. I got a diagnostic trouble code DTC 26 on the Subaru. It means airbag system's not functional. So I did a little YouTubing and looking around on the Google and found out the problem. It's for the indicator lights up here on the console up here with the dome lights in it. And there's some indicator lights. That's the problem. Let's dig into it. 2008 Subaru Outback with this airbag code right here. See that there? And that code is coming up on the system here as a fault code. So when I go into the Autel, my airbag system here, trouble codes, passenger airbag indicator failure. Now I found a YouTube video, number 26 trouble code. It won't clear the code. It will not clear. And up on the indicator panel here, high up on the roof of the ceiling of the car here, there's this small circuit board. And if you flex the circuit board just right, you can get these LEDs to lit up. See that? I'm just flexing the circuit board and that one lit up. There's something wrong here with that circuit board. So the fix is to resolder these small, tiny little LED and LED drivers. This is have an intricate board, but we're going to go ahead and try that so I can clear the code. All right guys, excuse the mess here. Just up on the workbench, and I watched an online video here where all of these solder joints on this small circuit board for the ABS indicator lights need to be resoldered. They all look fine. I got the cheaters on here. They all look great, and I'm just going to go through each one of these and solder, re-hit them again with the soldering iron. Doesn't take much. They just re-melt. There you go. I'll do both sides on the chips and on the back side. I'm just holding it with this little vice grip here so I can so it steadies the board. I'm going to do that and we're going to give it a shot. I'm going to plug this back in. This is the courtesy dome lights. Okay, it goes this way. Red blinking light just means the power's on. Let's check that again. They all light up here. Huh, they're working. All right, there you go. If I sit down, it's on. Get off it. I'm off the seat. That means off. On the seat, on. So now I should be able to clear the codes. Now that that's functional. Of course, I got to bolt this all back together and put it up there, but let's look at the codes again. I'm going to key on, key off here. Key off, key on. That airbag code right there, that was on all the time. No longer present. So it clears, it must have self-diagnostic. It clears itself. We're gonna just check it out. Okay, now that I know all of the LED lights are working on that airbag indicator, we're gonna go into the system here and check the trouble code on that. Once again, it's still present from prior. Passenger airbag indicator failure. That's why I'm in the passenger seat, so I can get up in and out of the seat to get the lights to turn on, either on or off. If you're sitting down here, clear the code. Yes, the ignition's off, keys on. Clear the code. No codes, the fault code detected, so we are good to go. Get back out of here. It's scanning its system right now on the airbags. Pass, no fault. Awesome, that fixed it. That was, thank God for the internet and the YouTubes. There's 3 other people or so that had that same problem with all the solder connectors, solder joints here. I just hit every one on both sides because you can't tell if they're bad. Just hit them all, and I'll go ahead and bolt this together. It's held up by 2 screws in the front here, 2 inside the eyeglasses container here, a couple screws there. pops right back on the ceiling, good to go. No more code. No more code down here, so easy fix. Got the okay, so I got the console lights, the interior lights here. I'm gonna set it down. Here's the airbag indicator panel, and this is the LED circuit board that I just soldered back together, and the LEDs poke through the panel here, and then there's just 2 small screws to hold that in. Okay. And then there's this cover that pops back in here. All right, and now we can go snap this back together. There's this connector and one more that goes to here. That'll bolt to the roof through these 4 holes. Key back on. Airbag is on. Passenger airbag. Says I'm sitting here. On. Get up. Turns off. We're fully functional. Now the airbag system is functional. Prior to that, I don't believe it's functional when there's an airbag fault code. It's no longer on the dash. I can't take credit for that, guys. Just another repair. That was somebody else posted that on the YouTube, and it was very helpful for me. I'll put the old light guard back up here. That's another fix. Thanks guys for watching.